3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to catch the elusive Northstar Serpent, a rare and stunning new fish added in the latest Fish Miss update. To start, you'll need to head to the Winter Village, which you can access using your magical snow globe found in your inventory. Once you're in the village, equip a reliable rod like the Rod of the Forgotten in F, which seems to outperform the Rod of the Death Sky after recent changes. The Northstar Serpent can be found in the Winter Village waters, but it's not easy to catch. This rare fish prefers hollyberry bait and is most likely to appear during foggy weather, though it can be caught at any time of day. Use your fish radar to scout the area, though this particular fish might not always show up on it. When you do manage to hook it, you'll see that the Northstar Serpent is absolutely breathtaking, making it worth the effort. That's how you can slag this incredible event, Fisch. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.